How to get your BNB Smart Chain address on Trust Wallet. So the first step is to open up your Trust Wallet. So launch Trust Wallet and go to your wallet dashboard, and you should see a list of your cryptocurrencies and tokens. Now, if you do not see any tokens on your list of tokens, just simply click on the Manage Crypto option. It's usually at the top right corner of your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Click on this option here, and you'll be taken to a list where you can easily enable and toggle on the networks and tokens you really want to use. All right, so once you've searched for BNB Smart Chain, you could easily turn it on and simply get access to your BNB Smart Chain. And just click on the Smart Chain. Once you've clicked on it, click on Receive, and then you're going to be shown your QR code and wallet address. Now, this is what it looks like. Once you click on the Receive, you're going to be taken here. All right, so just copy your address, and your address should look something like this. This is your BEP20 or your BNB Smart Chain address. Use this address only for BNB Smart Chain transfers. Double check the network when you're withdrawing to other exchanges or other wallets, and then sending funds on the wrong network can cause you to lose those funds and access to the funds as well. All right, guys.